Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best 4K Wi-Fi Dashcam in this video? I will show you the top 5 best 4K Wi-Fi Dashcam to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is Wolfbox i17. Specifications. Brand name, Wolfbox. Display LCD. Aperture, f1.5. Screen ratio, 4:3. View angle, 170. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 256 GB. Number of lenses, 3. Imaging sensor, SONY IMX335. Pixels, 500 mega. Display size, 3:5. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Silicon. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 700 grams. Number 4 is 70mm Dashcam Omni X800. Specifications. Brand name, 70mm. Display, IPS. Aperture, f1.7. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 146 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 512 GB. Number of lenses, 1. Imaging sensor, SONY Starvis 2 IMX678. Pixels, 800 mega. Display size, 3 inch. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, NT98529. Warranty, 1 year. As the item number 3 we've selected, Wolfbox M40. Specifications. Brand name, Wolfbox. Built-in screen, yes. Rear camera, yes. Max external memory, 512 GB. Chipset manufacturer, Silicon. Frames per second, 60. Warranty, 1 year. Number 2 is Redtiger F17 Elite. Specifications. Brand name, Redtiger. Display LCD. Aperture, f1.55. View angle, 130 to 170. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Number of lenses, 3. Imaging sensor, SONY Starvis 2 IMX678. Pixels, 1800 mega. Display size, 3:5. Chipset manufacturer, Silicon. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 0.7 kilograms. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Baseus 4K Dashcam VD1 Pro. Specifications. Brand name, Baseus. Display, IPS. Aperture, f2.0. Screen ratio, 4:3. View angle, 140 degree front, 120 degrees rear. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 256 GB. Number of lenses, 1. Imaging sensor, SONY IMX335. Pixels, 800 mega. Display size, 3 inch. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech.